Hi guys, a while back I bought a Nintendo Switch Lite. I didn't have a case, so the unfortunate happened. It fell off and it get this crack on the screen. So that's why I decided to get this case. It's all black because I get transported with me and it's easily carrier. It has these straps so your Switch won't fall. They're secured. This part is soft so your screen won't be damaged or get scratched, and it has 8 little pouches so you can put your game cards. Right now I just want 2 games and one is on the Switch, the other one is Minecraft. So yeah, and it also comes with this little net pouch so you can store some cables if you want, headphones, and yeah, it's very practical. It comes with these plastic caps to your Switch. Yeah, I really recommend it.